My name is Brian Brighter with the Law Offices of Brian Brighter. We have offices in Florida and California.
My name is Jeff Toomey. I'm an attorney with the Law Offices of Brian Brighter.
So this client called us directly. She had heard about us, looked us up online. So we had her within a week of the crash. For all intents and purposes, made a great recovery. So visually, she looked okay. I mean, she had some scars from post-surgery. Emotionally, she was very damaged from it, of course, as anyone would be. We have a program that I teach called Improv for Trial. Before I was a lawyer, I was an actor as a kid and trained theatrically. I went to law school and I started to realize how important being in the theater was and how you can translate that storytelling to a jury. And improv was the best because it was how to work without a script and how to tell a story in a way where you really connect with the people that you're telling the story. Actually, we're telling the story with them because the jury's writing the ending at the end of this case.
The judge that we had in this case was a criminal judge, and this was his first, I believe, first or second personal injury case. He didn't understand the value, I think, of an animation as opposed to something that you're just admitting purely into evidence.
And so by having that, it allowed our expert, our surgeon in the case, to really show this jury this was not an easy situation, and here it is laid out beautifully with this animation.
While our doctor was testifying, at first going over his qualifications, talking about some of the details of the case, you could tell everybody was paying attention. But then the second that we actually started playing this video, you could tell everybody was completely engaged. Nobody was trying to, pull out their phones or something like that.
The judge in this case had never had an experience with this. He had never really seen plaintiff attorneys coming into his courtroom and using, this type of animation technology. Loved it. And really the jury afterwards, we got great feedback that it really helped them understand what was going on.
It helped them understand her damages and her general damages in a way that would be difficult to do if you're just hearing from doctors, if you're just hearing from her, if you're just hearing from her friends and her family, because it's something that's more objective.
And I think our post-verdict with all the costs was over $1,550,000. It really helps bring those jurors closer to the case. When they can see a video like this in an animation, I think they can feel really and empathize with what a victim of a horrible tragedy like this has gone through.